This is a rainy morning in October, and this is the view from our room, from our bedroom, into the garden, our backyard. Look at those beautiful fall colors, and the background noise is all those little birds just crazy about the rain. They're having a party outside. They are very loud. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they are loud. They are in the trees, and they are just, I don't know if happy or sad, but look at them. They are flying there. I don't know if they are happy or crazy or just upset. They are taking a unwanted bath today. They keep flying everywhere. They're very loud. Oh, there they are. There they are. Oh, hi. They came to say hi in the window. Yay. See? Ah, look at them down there. Look, 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 look. All of those are little birds. Oh my goodness. What are they doing in my backyard? Where's Lucas? Oh my God. I know what's going on. Maybe they are eating the worms that come out with the rain. That's what they are doing. Uh-huh. Yay. I just found out. I just discovered their secret. Ooh. Look at those guys. They're having a blast. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy's cleaning my backyard. Oh my goodness. Where's Frodo? I used to see these Frodies. Come see. Come see, Fro. Ooh, something scared them. Oh, cute. Okay, we're gonna see where's Frodo. Where's Frodo? Hi, Fro. Hi, Frodo. Hola, Frodo. What are you doing there? Huh? Wanna come see the little birdies? Wanna come see the pajaritos? Foodies, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Whoops, his camera shy. Hey, yo. Gato. Gato. Cochino. Uy. What did you see? What did you see? Oh. Come, Freddy. Come. Oh, well, he's lazy. He's a lazy kitty. Kitty, meow. Very lazy. Look at the colors. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? Look at that up there. Okay. It's not cold, actually. It is very, very nice. Okay. I'm gonna go. I have to read and do assignments for my school on Monday. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Gonna leave you a minute with the background noise. I hope you can hear it.